Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
First, open your document and press Ctrl plus F to open the navigation pane. Click the Pages tab to view a thumbnail list of every page in the file. Look for a thumbnail that contains no text or shows only paragraph marks. Next, enable Show /Hide by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 to reveal invisible characters. This shows paragraph marks, page breaks, and section breaks that create blank pages. Confirm the extra with Show /Hide enabled. Click the paragraph mark or break causing the blank page. If you see a page break, select it and press Delete to remove it. If a section break forces a new page, place the cursor before it and press Delete to merge sections. For stubborn extra paragraph marks, select them and press Backspace or reduce their font size to 1 pt. You can also use Replace to find manual breaks with M and remove them in one pass. Sometimes a table or header forces a blank final page in Word. If a table sits at the bottom, select the paragraph after the table and set font to 1 pt and single spacing. Check headers and footers for extra spacing and reduce their size if needed. Inspect page setup margins and the Layout tab for spacing that forces an additional page. If a section break is set to next page, change it to continuous in Layout to avoid creating a new blank page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.